Hi there, students. Complicit, an adjective. Complicitly, the adverb. Complicity, the noun of the quality, uncountable. Okay, if somebody is complicit, they are an accomplice. Complicit. These two words are linked. So if you're complicit, you're involved in a crime, or you know about a crime, or some activity that is wrong, without doing anything to stop it. So he was accused of being complicit in the robbery at the shop. Okay, this complicit. This is linked to crime. Complicity is participation in a criminal act. Notice if you're complicit, the criminal act has been committed, and you have helped this happen in some way. So you were part of the crime. Yeah, maybe you didn't do it, maybe you helped to plan it, yeah, or maybe you provided material or help towards the commission of the crime, or maybe even you failed to prevent the crime when you had a legal obligation or a legal duty to prevent it. Okay, so complicity. Complicity is when you help somebody do something. You're part of the plan. You're part of the deal. You're part of the gang. So complicit, involved with others in an unlawful activity or something that's morally wrong, or maybe something that's secret as well. We had planned a surprise party for his birthday, and every time my friend walked past, he winked at me complicitly. Yeah, he's in on the plan. He's part of it. You could be complicit in the cover-up of a crime. So if you're complicit, you're helping somebody commit a crime or do something wrong. Complicity, being associated or participating in a wrongful act. Complicit, complicit in a crime, complicit in an unfair activity. He didn't see the murder, but he was still complicit in the death. A mother who does not report abuse to her child is complicit. They are complicit in the abuse of their child. So if you're involved with others in something that shouldn't have been done or something that's illegal, that makes you complicit. Yeah, you could also say complicitous. Complicity, involved with other people in an illegal activity, in an illegal plan. So this is a legal thing, and you could be arrested and convicted for being complicit in a crime. It's saying that you are an accomplice, that you help the person, you make the crime easier to commit. So complicit, associated with a questionable act, participating in it, or a crime. So if you help a politician do something illegal, that makes you complicit in their crime. Complicit, involved with others in something reprehensible or something illegal. So complicity is saying you're guilty of committing the crime or having participated in it. You didn't do it. You might have aided and abetted it, for example. Okay, complicity, formality, complicity. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5 in formality. Use it semi-formally, in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. And as to origin, it comes from Latin, from complico, com, together, and plicere, plico, to fold. So to fold together. It's linked to the word complex as well, from this plico, to fold together. So you're folded together, you're an accomplice, you're part of the whole thing. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Complicit, complicity.